loves, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I have some exciting things coming up on my channel that I'm so happy about. I'm going to be starting a new playlist, and it's going to be all about synthetic wigs and how to lay them, slay them, make them look more natural. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you get a reminder every time I upload a new video. And if you're interested in this wig, I will link the review on her down below. I actually just reviewed her, but a little bit more about my new series. So it's going to be mainly focused on synthetic wigs and how I lay them and secure them. So if it's windy outside, you don't got to worry about your hair flying off your head. How I pluck the part and make it look more realistic. How I make the part look more realistic and hide those knots. And then also how to cut the lace. I know that seems very generic, but some people that are just starting out just do not know. And I've actually seen people cut all the lace off, which is not something you want to do. So this first video in the series is going to be just that. I'm going to be showing you in this video how to trim the lace off of your wig the right way so it looks natural and you don't end up messing up. So again, as I said, make sure to hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit the notification bell so you can be reminded when I upload a new video. And I will make sure to link my playlist down below, so at any time you can just go down to that info card and click that link and it will bring you to my how-to videos. But for now, let's get started on cutting that lace. Okay, so to trim your lace, first of all, you need to know where you need to trim. So if you look here, see where those knots are at the top? That is where you want to trim. Do not cut all the way down to here. That is your elastic band. You do not want to take all your lace off. You want to start where those knots are. So I'm going to use my mannequin head, and so I'm going to use some T-pins to secure my wig to the mannequin head, but you could do this in your hand. I didn't have a mannequin head when I first started out, and I just simply used my finger to guide where the knots were so I could see, and I trimmed from there. So the same technique, basically all you need to know is how to cut your wig, lace from your wig. How you do it doesn't matter, as long as you get it done. So I'm gonna go ahead and secure the hair back with my hair clips here so that I don't cut any of the hair. So now that I've done that and I've gotten the hair out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace from my wig. And so where I pointed right now, those are the knots. That is where you want to start cutting. You want to cut up to where the knots are. Again, don't remove the lace all the way to the cap. You only want to go to where the knots start. That's basically your hairline. That is what makes the hair look natural. So I'm going to show you one side here. I just trim up the middle. I do one side at a time. It's kind of easier that way. And I go to the first knot. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors and I am going to trim down the front in front of the knots. Again, if you get a knot or two off here and there, that's fine. Just don't trim all the lace off all the way to the cap. That is, you want the lace, some of the lace there, because that's what makes the wig look natural. So do not go trimming all of your lace off, you guys. Only cut to these knots here. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial, you guys. It's super easy to cut off your lace. Just take your time when you're first starting out. Don't be timid. It's super easy. Don't let it scare you. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Mwah.